Hello everyone, this is Welawei. We are going to make a lemon cheesecake brownies. So please stay tuned and enjoy the video. Now let's get started by preparing your pan. Grease your pan with butter, or you can use oil as well. Smatter it all over your pan. Line it with parchment paper. Cut it out according to the size of your pan. This is 8 by 8 inches. If you notice, I have extended it a bit longer. This will be useful later on when you lift your brownie. Now let's combine the butter and chocolate chips. Melt it in a microwave. My microwave is 800 watts. So depending on your microwaves, this is set at a medium setting. This one took about 2.5 minutes at this stage. So mix it well until the butter and the chocolate chips will combine. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Then add your sugar and lemon extract. Beat it using an electric mixer, but you can use your hand. Now don't worry about all those curd. Add 1 egg. And add another egg. Now mix it well, and now add a lemon zest, a bit of food coloring to make it more vibrant yellow, add the flour and the salt by sieving it first. This will prevent from any lumps. Mix until it combines. You can find all the measurement at the description below. Mix it until smooth. But do not overdo it. Transfer it into your baking pan. And set it aside. Now let's make the cream cheese. Put all together cream cheese, egg, and sugar. And whisk it all together. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. And your egg at room temperature as well. Now let's combine the two together. Spoon your cream cheese mixture onto your lemon batter. Do it very gently. And spread it all over. Again, for the measurement, please refer to the description below. Add a tablespoon of hot water into your lemon mixture. This is a 1/4 cup reserved from the mixture earlier. Drop a spoonful on top of the cream cheese. Whoops. And make some swirl. Bake it on a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Let it cool and place in refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours or overnight before slicing. And there you have it, lemon cheesecake brownies. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a